In November 2025, the landscape for certificate of deposit rates is shifting rapidly. Securing a CD with a high annual percentage yield, such as 4.5%, has become increasingly difficult as financial institutions respond to recent interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve. Most leading offers have seen slight declines, and experts anticipate that rates may continue to drop in the coming months. This trend underscores the urgency for savers to act promptly if they wish to lock in competitive yields. By comparing current offers and understanding the terms, individuals can make informed decisions that maximize their returns before rates fall further. Staying proactive is key to securing favorable terms in this evolving environment. In recent months, certificate of deposit rates have experienced noticeable shifts, largely influenced by the Federal Reserve's monetary policy decisions. Following the Fed's rate cuts in October 2025, which lowered the benchmark range to 3.75% to 4.0%, banks have responded by gradually reducing the yields offered on new CDs. This trend has made it more challenging for savers to find high-yield options, with fewer institutions now offering rates near the 4.50% annual percentage yield mark. Shorter-term CDs, such as 6-month and 1-year products, have seen particularly pronounced declines. Despite these changes, some banks continue to provide competitive rates, though the overall landscape favors locking in terms sooner rather than later. As the market adapts to lower interest rates, consumers are encouraged to compare offers and consider their liquidity needs before committing to a CD. Securing a certificate of deposit with a 4.50% annual percentage yield is becoming increasingly challenging due to recent shifts in the financial landscape. One of the main factors driving this change is the Federal Reserve's decision to lower interest rates, which has prompted banks to reduce the yields offered on their CD products. As a result, many of the top CD rates have seen slight declines in recent weeks, making it harder for savers to find offers that reach the 4.50% threshold. Additionally, competition among financial institutions has intensified, with some banks adjusting their terms and minimum deposit requirements to attract customers. These market dynamics mean that high-yield CDs are less common, and consumers need to act quickly to lock in favorable rates before they drop further. Staying informed about rate trends and understanding the impact of monetary policy are essential for those seeking to maximize their returns on savings. Currently, some of the most competitive 6-month certificate of deposit rates are being offered by Climate First Bank and Total Bank. Climate First Bank provides a 4.34% annual percentage yield with a minimum deposit of $500, making it an attractive choice for short-term savers. Total Bank follows closely, offering a 4.25% APY. These rates stand out in a market where yields have generally been trending downward, reflecting recent shifts in the broader interest rate environment. For individuals seeking a secure and relatively quick return on their savings, these institutions present solid options for maximizing short-term growth. When considering a 1-year certificate of deposit, several financial institutions stand out for their competitive rates and accessible terms. Limelight Bank currently offers a 4.05% annual percentage yield with a minimum deposit requirement of $1,000. Marcus by Goldman Sachs provides a slightly lower rate of 4.0% APY, but with a more modest minimum deposit of $500, making it an attractive option for those with smaller initial investments. These rates reflect recent market trends, where yields have begun to decline following Federal Reserve rate cuts. It's important to compare not only the interest rates, but also the deposit requirements and any additional terms before making a decision. By evaluating these factors, savers can select a CD that best fits their financial goals and liquidity needs. When evaluating competitive 5-year certificate of deposit rates, schools, First Federal Credit Union, offers an attractive 4.15% annual percentage yield, while United Fidelity Bank provides a slightly higher rate at 4.30% APY with a $1,000 minimum deposit. These long-term CDs can be appealing for savers seeking stable returns over several years, especially in an environment where rates are gradually declining. However, committing to a 5-year term requires careful consideration of liquidity needs, as early withdrawal penalties can be substantial, sometimes resulting in the loss of a full year's interest or more. Long-term savers should weigh the benefits of locking in a higher rate against the potential need for access to their funds. Comparing terms and conditions between institutions is essential to ensure the chosen CD aligns with individual financial goals. By selecting a competitive rate and understanding the commitment involved, investors can maximize their returns while minimizing risks. The Federal Reserve's decision in October 2025 to lower its benchmark interest rate to a range of 3.75% to 4.0% has had a noticeable impact on certificate of deposit offerings. As a result of this rate cut, many banks and credit unions have adjusted their CD yields downward, making it more challenging for savers to find high returns. This trend reflects the broader influence of monetary policy on consumer banking products, where lower federal rates typically translate to reduced earnings on fixed-rate investments like CDs. Looking ahead, if the Federal Reserve continues to signal a dovish stance or implements further rate reductions, CD rates are likely to remain subdued or decline further. For individuals considering a CD, this environment underscores the importance of acting promptly to secure favorable terms before rates potentially drop again. Staying informed about central bank decisions can help savers anticipate changes and make strategic choices about when to invest. When considering a certificate of deposit, it's essential to understand the penalties associated with early withdrawals. These penalties can be particularly significant for longer-term CDs, sometimes resulting in the loss of a full year's worth of interest, or more if you access your funds before maturity. Each financial institution sets its own rules regarding early withdrawal fees, so terms can vary widely. Carefully reviewing these conditions before committing ensures you're not caught off guard if your financial needs change unexpectedly. For those seeking flexibility, some banks offer no-penalty CDs, which allow withdrawals without fees after a short waiting period. By understanding these terms upfront, you can choose a CD that aligns with both your investment goals and your need for liquidity. No-penalty certificates of deposit, or CDs, offer a unique solution for savers who value both security and flexibility. Unlike traditional CDs, which typically impose fees or loss of interest for early withdrawals, no-penalty CDs allow you to access your funds before the maturity date without incurring penalties. This feature can be especially appealing if you anticipate needing your money unexpectedly or want to take advantage of changing interest rates. While these CDs may offer slightly lower yields compared to standard options, they provide peace of mind by ensuring your savings remain accessible. After an initial waiting period, usually around 7 days, you can withdraw your principal and earned interest at any time. This makes no-penalty CDs a practical choice for those seeking a balance between earning a fixed return and maintaining liquidity. Traditional certificates of deposit, or CDs, typically offer higher interest rates in exchange for locking your money away for a set period. However, withdrawing funds before the term ends often results in steep penalties, which can significantly reduce your earnings. No-penalty CDs, on the other hand, provide greater flexibility by allowing early withdrawals without fees, usually after a short waiting period. While these accounts tend to offer slightly lower yields, they can be ideal for savers who may need access to their funds unexpectedly. For those confident they won't need their money until the CD matures, traditional CDs may deliver better returns. Conversely, No-penalty CDs are well-suited for individuals seeking a balance between earning interest and maintaining liquidity. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your financial goals and your need for flexibility versus maximizing returns. When evaluating certificate of deposit offers, it's important to compare both the interest rates and the terms provided by different financial institutions. Start by looking at the annual percentage yield, or APY, which reflects the total return you can expect over the life of the CD. Pay close attention to the minimum deposit requirements, as these can vary significantly from one bank to another. Consider the length of the term and whether it aligns with your financial goals and liquidity needs. Review the penalties for early withdrawal, since these can impact your earnings if you need access to your funds before the CD matures. Some banks also offer no-penalty CDs, which allow for greater flexibility. By carefully weighing these factors, you can select a CD that offers a competitive rate and suits your individual circumstances. With CD rates trending downward following recent Federal Reserve rate cuts, timing has become a critical factor for savers seeking competitive returns. Acting promptly can help you lock in higher yields before further declines take effect. Many banks have already adjusted their offerings, making it increasingly difficult to find certificates of deposit with rates near 4.50% APY. By securing a favorable rate now, you can maximize your earnings over the term of your investment. It's wise to compare options from multiple financial institutions and ensure the terms align with your financial goals. Delaying your decision may result in settling for lower returns as rates continue to fall. Being proactive allows you to take advantage of current opportunities and safeguard your savings against future rate reductions. Before opening a certificate of deposit, it's important to carefully evaluate your personal financial needs. Consider how much liquidity you require, meaning how easily you can access your money if an unexpected expense arises. CDs typically lock your funds for a set period, so ensure you won't need these funds until the term ends. If you anticipate needing access to your savings sooner, shorter-term CDs or no-penalty options may be more suitable. Review your monthly budget and emergency savings to confirm that committing to a CD won't disrupt your financial stability. By aligning your investment choices with your cash flow and future plans, you can maximize returns while maintaining peace of mind. In today's market, savers aiming to maximize returns on certificates of deposit should act quickly, as CD rates have begun to decline following recent Federal Reserve rate cuts. While securing a 4.50% APY is becoming more difficult, several banks still offer competitive rates, especially for shorter and longer-term CDs. It's important to compare offers across financial institutions to find the best fit for your financial goals. Consider the impact of early withdrawal penalties, particularly for longer-term CDs, which can significantly reduce your earnings if you need access to funds before maturity. No-penalty CDs may provide greater flexibility, allowing withdrawals without fees after a short waiting period. Ultimately, aligning the CD term and conditions with your liquidity needs and investment horizon will help you secure a favorable return while maintaining financial security. In summary, navigating the current landscape of certificate of deposit rates requires careful attention and timely decision-making. With yields gradually declining in response to recent Federal Reserve rate cuts, opportunities to secure higher returns are becoming more limited. By staying informed about the latest offers and understanding the terms, including penalties and flexibility options, savers can make choices that best fit their financial goals. Comparing rates across institutions and acting promptly can help lock in favorable terms before they disappear. Ultimately, a proactive approach ensures that you maximize your earnings while maintaining the security and predictability that CDs provide.